He will talk about protein and immunity with Dr. David Heber. So take away, Coach Alvin.
Hello, good morning. Magandang buhay po sa lahat and uh, we're very happy that today is a special day every day, you know. And my name is Alvin and I'd like to share my screen as well. So, kumusta po ang lahat? I hope you're doing fine today. Ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon is about protein and immunity, no? And Dr. David Heber explained dito sa ating pag-uusapan between the connection between the nutrition and immune system. Kasi yung immune system natin cannot really function healthily without proper nutrients. And this topic will help us explain and understand why nutrients are important and how you can use nutrition to support yung ating uh, overall health natin, no? And but before that one, so this is my result. Uh, 56 years old na po ako ngayon and we've been taking the product, the whole family for 11 years now. And I've lost about 25 pounds using this product, no? And my wife as well, si Noemi, 40 pounds po yung na-lose niya. And it has changed our eating habit, including the kids, yung mga problema natin na nawawala. And alam naman natin pag overweight tayo, we have a lot of pains and aches. And all those things are being addressed. So Herbalife products, maraming line of product ito. And basically, I have used that product, all of those products. But eventually, we maintain this Alu tea shake for our breakfast every day. And some of my favorite products are Herbalife, yung ating heart health line, no? Yung Nightworks, Herbalife line, and those Mega Garlic. Yan yung paborito ko kasi alam naman natin pag nagkakaedad na tayo, no? And we have to take care of our brain, our heart, and our joints as well. And of course, cell complex din, no? Nakikita ko yung result talaga ng cell complex sa aking skin. And I have a lot of issues sa skin before. And this one product, yung cell complex, nakatulong ng malakas sa akin, no? And before Herbalife, ang trabaho ko po is a salesman, a Chinese-owned company sa Binondo. And I remember those times when I was a salesman, lagi ako nasa labas. And most of the time, pag uwi ko, gabi na. And by the way, I have a lot of kids. I have 8 kids living, and naalala ko noon when I arrived home, medyo wala na akong time for them. And looking back sa aking trabaho noon and try to compare it right now. Kung hindi siguro ako nag-Herbalife, I have lost a lot of time. And ngayon na nakikita ko yung paglaki ng anak ko, I experience the fun, no? And the importance of having a family. Eh kung hindi ako nag-Herbalife, siguro hindi ako ganito ngayon, no? Fully developed na yung ating mental state and personality. So that's why I really, really love this company, Herbalife. So going back sa ating product, no, product training today, actually it's not a product training, it's more on a ano no, yung paano natin maintindihan and to appreciate how important nutrition is, no? So David Heber has been our chairman sa Herbalife Nutrition Institute. Itong nakikita niyong slides are his work for 40 years, no? Ganun po kagrabe itong tao na to. But sabi nga ni David Heber, but the best thing that happened to him is to work with us distributor, no? One person at a time. Ito talaga yung core value ng Herbalife products natin or the company itself. Sabi ni David Heber, when you think of immune system, naiisip natin lagi yung pag, fighting the cold or virus, and you don't think about the connection, about nutrition and immunity. So, it is vitally important po na maintindihan natin ito, 'no? So, it started with a story, okay? Try to imagine nagkaroon nandun ka sa isang barko, shipwreck, and then you survive, you manage na mabuhay ka at napunta ka sa isang island. And luckily, napadpad din doon yung tatlong chest, okay? And, ang laman ng chest na yun is yan, cassava. It's a 100% carbs, and, you have some oil there na olive oil 100% fat. And luckily meron din tayong soy protein do'n, 'no? So, imagine this scenario na nandun ka sa island na yun. So, ano ba ang gagawin mo in order to survive at tumagal ka para habang nag-aantay ka sa rescue, eh, buhay ka pa nung, pagdating ng barko, ano? So, what do you think, 'no? Ano ba yung, paano natin ima-manage itong mga pagkain na 'to, okay? So, let's take a look at this ano 'no, yung itong how about the cassava. So, alam mo yung cassava fruit, 100% carbohydrates 'no, and, 'pag kinain po natin 'to 'no, if you ate this cassava fruit which contain no protein, ano ang mangyayari 'no? Siyempre ang mangyayari, the body uses yung ating own body to get that essential protein for you to survive. So, hindi siya maganda 'no, and, ah, by the way kung hindi natin alam, we break amino acids every day 'no. So, kailangan very vital po yung that's why it's a first ano, eh, yung protein first nutrient yan, eh. So, it's a building block. So, kung walang protina, talagang mag-aano ka, mamamayat ka and everything, and you don't really feel healthy pagka ito yung kinain mo everyday. So, what about olive oil? So, itong, extra virgin olive oil, hindi naman puwedeng basta inumin mo na lang 'to, it's 100% fats 'no. It's the same thing 'no, it's the same thing din, you cannot survive, ah, with this olive oil alone kasi wala din siyang protina. The same thing will happen, okay? How about the next one, yung, soy protein. Oo, alam ko na yung iniisip niyo. Of course, sa tatlong 'yan, ito yung pinakaimportante 'no. It builds it builds you 'no. Wala pong parte ng katawan natin na walang protina or amino acids 'no. We will explain these amino acids later kung paano ba 'to ginagawa 'no. But protein is the primary source that's going to keep your body strong as you wait doon sa rescue mo, okay? 'Yan. So it always starts with balanced nutrition. Actually, those three has a little bit of all those three. Kaya lang, siyempre, mas importante talaga yung protina. And when we talk about balance, siguro, gagawin mo primarily protein and some of this olive oil at saka yung carbohydrates na cassava. And you will survive with that kind of scenario na ano ka na shipwreck ka sa island na 'yon. And ang balanced nutrition is when you have both of these, macronutrients ano na balanse siya. Pero alam niyo what's different about the protein, yung protein po kasi hindi nai-store diyan sa body. So, nare-recycle siya every now and then 'no. As you kung gising ka, ah nagre-replenish yan every time na ginagamit mo yung protein. Unlike fats and carbohydrates, alam niyo, ang nangyayari diyan, nai-stuck lang 'pag na-over ka niyan, and it will create, fat sa body mo. So, how does, protein very important. Let's talk about, how do we build our body. Yung muscle natin is made up of 70%, 75% ng ating katawan 'no. And every time this muscle moves, nagbe-breakdown siya ng protein, and also it, it also builds muscle, no? Muscle synthesis. Yan. Pagka kumain ka, pumapasok yung amino acid sa katawan mo, then it builds muscle. And when you fast naman, pagkatapos mo kumain between those eating schedules, nagbe-break down din siya ng protein. That's why it's very important to really have this ample amount of protein na required sa katawan natin. Okay? So, what else? How does protein, it's very important. Lahat po ng muscle natin sa katawan, replenish po yan every month, no? Ayan, nakita niyo yung fat cells. Mahirap po tunawin yung fat cells. 8 years yan. Okay, the small intestine every 2 to 4 days nagre-replenish yan. So, paano ka magkakaroon ng healthy gut, healthy intestine, healthy digestive system if you don't have this quality protein, no? Lahat yan, muscle needs those protein. Okay? The bones, 2 weeks to 3 months i-replenish it. Ibig sabihin, yung nakikita niyong katawan ngayon, it is a 2024 model. Yung 2023, wala na yun. Bago ka na ngayon because of this regeneration process ng katawan natin. And protein is the number one thing that make this happen. Okay? So, talking about amino acids, maraming amino acid. Actually, it's 23 amino acid, but there are 9 essential amino acids, no, na nakasulat dyan. These amino acids na essential needs to be taken from the foods we are eating because we cannot store this one, we cannot make this one. Unlike those amino acids na hindi essential, our body can create this one. Pero itong 9 essential acid, kailangan natin to sa katawan natin to make us healthy. So we have to really take that one every day. Okay? And that's protein. Okay? So carbs, ano ang star? Ang carbs are stored and can be converted to fats. Pag kumain ka ng sobrang carbs, ang mangyayari doon, pag hindi na nagamit ng katawan mo, it will just turn into fat sa katawan mo and it's not healthy. Magiging overweight ka. Okay? So, what about exercise? Actually po, exercise helps the body to synthesize muscles, no? Yan. So, if you want to hindi ka magkaroon ng sarcopenia, pagkatanda mo, include exercise in your routine every day. Okay? So, eto maganda din ano to, pag-usapan because when you sleep pala, no? Our body breaks protein, no? Pag natutulog ka, no? While whenever you're sleeping, you're not eating. The body has a certain requirements for glucose for the brain and red blood cells that cannot get from the body fat. So your muscle breaks down amino acids para matugunan yung pangangailangan na yon, no? Because your brain sa gabi, pag natutulog ka, doon po niya tinatrabaho yung pag-remove ng mga toxin natin sa brain and sleeping is very important. Okay? That's why pala pagka sinabi natin breakfast is the most important meal, totoo yun because of this one. Okay? So, but people don't get enough protein. Nakikita niyo yung nasa right side niyo, ano, yung breakfast, 10 grams, 20 grams sa lunch. Tapos sa dinner, daming kinakain. So, hindi maganda po itong proportion na to. At least you break your protein requirements into 30 grams sa breakfast, 30 grams sa lunch, and 30 grams sa protein. Okay? So how about the immune system? Alam mo yung immune system natin po, nakalagay yan dyan. 70% of immune system nasa gut natin. And yung mga bacteria dyan sa ating villi, minomonitor ng immune system natin because that's comprises, no? Kung paano ka nagiging healthy. And those muscle lining changes 2 to 3 to 4 days. Kailangan po talaga ng amino acids yan to make those things up and kicking. So, protein is very important. Okay? So, balik tayo dun sa island. So, alam niyo na kung paano niyo gagawin yung tatlong pagkain na yan, no? So, ito yung ating global nutrition philosophy. So nakikita niyo diyan, no? 30% fats and 40% carbs with healthy fiber, 25 grams. And of course, yung phytonutrients, nandiyan din, no? Galing sa gulay. And of course, yung vitamins and minerals, omega-3, and you need rest. So this global philosophy, ito po yung sinusunod natin. No? That's why for 11 years, we have maintained our good health sa family. Okay? So what else? So how much protein do you need? So depende po yan sa lean body mass mo, no? And recommendation, 1 gram per pound of lean body mass. Okay? So we have our coaches, pwede nyo ma-measure yan. But basically po, alam nyo, madali namang malaman eh, that's 70% or 75%. Tapos times mo lang yan sa kilogram. And then you get your protein requirements. And not only protein requirements, anong klaseng protein ang nilalagay niyo sa katawan niyo, di ba? So, here in this slide, makikita natin na there are protein na kompleto talaga sila sa essential amino acids, no? And we have milk, whey protein, yung apat na yan, no? And of course, makikita nyo dyan, of all the plants, yung soy protein contains all those amino acids. So, gaano kaganda yung Herbalife, no? It's made up of soy isolate protein yan. So, think about it. And if you're really new to this product, mag-aral po kayo. Try to join us every day here. Marami po kayong matutunan. And you can actually create po a healthy habits within your family core. And of course, hindi lang po yun. You have to, you learn to get into this community na walang iniisip kundi yung how to be healthier and happier every day. So, keep inviting po sa ating BLC. And soy protein, the most complete plant protein nga, sinasabi natin dito. And of course, if you are a vegetarian or a vegan, walang problema po. You can use this product po, no? Ano, back to the scenario again, no? So, yun. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig nyo and I hope you have a lot of things to be done today because it's a nice and fine day. Thank you very much to you. Ciao. Salamat.
Alright, thank you Coach Alvin. Yan, napakaganda ng topic guys, no? So, pwede kayo mag-type 1 or just say thank you to Coach Alvin for a very informative topic today. So, another learnings na naman po today. Ayan, so keep joining po sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. Every morning po yan from Tuesday to Sunday. So, see you all tomorrow po. Thank you again everyone. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Ayan, so today po wala po muna tayong workout. Okay, so next sa Thursday na po yung workout natin. Alright? So thank you again everyone.
Are you ready to reach the sky but you're having doubts? I'll help take that out. Do you want a brand new you? Then make your move and
Thank you sa mga
don't
shares
lose
natin.
that groove. You'll never